Well, good morning. So this is the range of my jobs for today. This is the rest of the seat. Obviously, these are the two bits that I repaired. So I've got the last of this cane to remove out of this one and the last of these plugs to take out. And there's drilling through this. Now, when I looked at the original, what they've done, you can see on the back here it's zigzagged. Now that saves the grain from splitting. So I'm going to do the same with this, and it seems every other hole is drilled directly vertically, and then the next hole is drilled that way. So you end up with this zigzag that goes through different parts of the grain. And then finally there's this, which you can see has gone off a treat. It's nice and firm now. So I better get on with it, I suppose. So first off is this, right, these plugs here that are still stuck in here. Now if you bear in mind they were put in that way, so to take them out the best thing to do is to go in from this side and push them out. And hopefully they should come out reasonably easy, and if they don't, and you can always get a little drill in there and drill through it, but you can see that's starting to come out quite easily. So that's that lot cleared out now. So I think next I'm going to get rid of these dowels, because I need to replace them. They're all a bit, well, weak and poor. So I'm going to cut these off and then drill them out. And then I can dry fit some new ones. And then I think I'll run the drill through each of these holes just to make sure that they're completely clear. And then after that, I'll drill the holes in the other rail that I've made. Meanwhile, well, to be honest, that took longer than I thought it was going to take. Really difficult, awkward angles, but they're out now. That one too. So next off, I've got these guide dowels that I'm going to use to make sure that it lines up and the holes are deep enough. And then I'll find some more tightly fitting dowels and glue these three pieces together, I think. Well, this is as far as I can go with this now. It's all clamped up. I'm going to set it aside on a flat surface, let that go off till tomorrow. And then tomorrow I can come back, make sure all those holes are cleared out, just run a drill through them. And, well, then it's cleaning and colouring. So there's no point in wasting time. I may as well start drilling this out. And as I said, the first one is going to be vertical. So I'll go straight through. Vertically, there we go. Whereas this one is going at an angle like that. So hasn't gone right through. I have to make this longer. There we go. I think it has this time. Yep, there we go. So I'm going to get V's like this all the way along, which hopefully will prevent any premature splitting along the grain. So this one's vertical. And this one's diagonal. There we go. That'll be perfect. So that's all of them drilled now. I went through with a 3mm drill. And I've just checked these holes here, and they're actually 3.2. Is that just the right size? So what I'll do tomorrow is I'll ease those holes out with this 3.2mm drill, and that should be that. It might have been 10 years in the making, but there's something wonderful about the asparagus when it starts to come out of the ground. Look! A bit early this year, but brilliant.